Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Sendit on Snapchat, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that you have to access your app store or simply install, download the Sendit app. Afterwards, tap on this open option. Once it's open, first of all you simply have to set it up. Once you're done, tap on this let's go, and it will ask you to open Snapchat for you. Tap on open, and now it has opened. All you have to do is tap on continue, and tap on continue to allow for it to be connected with your Snapchat. And now tap on this allow if you would like to, or don't allow if you do not. After you're done setting up, you will find this kind of interface where you simply have to tap on this ask me anything and write whatever you want, and you can also choose to simply change it according to your need. Once you're done, simply tap on this done option, and now you can choose to tap on this share. It will simply ask you the permission to access your Snapchat, and you can see right now all you have to do is tap on this, click, and now you can share it to your story or personally to anybody on your Snapchat chats. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.